Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to fix the system cannot find the file specified. So first of all you have to just right click on the command prompt or CMD and then run it as an administrator. So our next step is that you have to just put here a specific command which is sfc space and then / and then scan now in one word, and after this hit the enter. And after doing so you will find here this process will take some time, so you have to be patient and then hit the enter again. After this you have to wait for the completion of this verification until the 100%. This may take about 25 to 30 minutes, so you have to be patient. After the completion of this 100% you have to just put here exit and that hit the enter. After doing so you have to just restart your PC one time. After restarting your PC your problem will be fixed 100%. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide.